Hello everyone, it's Kim Hong here. Today I will be sharing with you guys a trade idea that has a potential profit of 300 pips. Without further ado, let's jump in. So this trade idea will be based off the Euro-Yen pair. Omicron variant renews COVID fear. Okay, so last Friday, okay, you guys have been looking at the charts, okay, the market, it was actually a strong sell-off, all right, amid the whole renewed COVID fear caused by the new variant, which is now known as the Omicron variant, all right? So at the moment, okay, some of the countries that unfortunately has been infected by this Omicron virus, okay, is Hong Kong, Australia, Denmark, and the Netherlands. All right. So it actually creates a new, I would say, not new, but a renewed fear, okay, of COVID in the world. Okay. So Denmark, Netherlands being in Europe. Okay. With that, well, previously we already know that cases in Europe has been rising. Okay. In fact, the German Chancellor Angela Merkel, okay, was actually trying to put the country back into lockdown, but well, not sure if it's a good thing. Her proposal was actually being rejected. All right, and there are actually other countries in the Eurozone that actually sees an increase in the number of cases, Delta cases previously as well. Okay, so well, on top of this, I would say rising in Delta cases, there's this Omicron variant, all right, that actually added more uncertainty, more COVID uncertainty into the Eurozone, all right? And because of that, we see a strong sell-off in the risk currency, okay? But however, okay, if you guys would look at the chart for last Friday, Euro dollar did not actually went down, okay? Instead, it actually strengthened. All right. So my personal view is this, okay, because there was actually a strong sell-off in the European stock market. All right. So when in times of uncertainty, when market participants, investors, traders fear that there's a lot of uncertainty coming in, hence they want to go risk off. All right. They sell off all their stocks holdings, okay, well, big part of their stocks holding, okay, to avert risk, right? And in exchange, they actually get back euro in return, right? So the demand of euro was actually increased, okay, was actually pushed up by this whole selling off of stock action, okay? So that's my personal view on why euro dollar actually strengthened, okay? Nonetheless, okay, this does not mean that the whole renewed COVID fear by this Omicron variant, okay, does not have a negative impact on the euro. It does have a negative impact on euro, okay. It's just that last week there was some market activities, okay, caused by the market that actually led to the strengthening of the euro, okay. So nonetheless, our view on euro will still likely going to be what's the term called again? Bearish, okay? You're going to be bearish because of this whole uncertainty and things like that, okay? So with that, I'm actually looking at a sell stop order being placed in this Euro-Yen pair, right? So if we were to look at the chart, we can see that the current trading price, okay, Euro Yen is currently trading around the 128 handle, okay, as indicated by this blue line over here, all right, 128 handle. So previously, okay, the last time it was actually trading below this level. Let me just take a look at when was it. February, around mid-February, 16, 17, that period of time, all right, earlier this year. So that was the last time when Euro Yen was trading below that level. And previously in August, okay, which is indicated by this region over here, and September, this region over here, we can see that Euro Yen actually bounced off the 128 handle, all right? So this 128 handle is sort of like a support level, okay, at the moment, okay, it seems reliable, okay, that Euro Yen failed to break below it, So, it's a pretty decent strength, strong support. All right. So at the moment, it's trying to pass. In fact, okay, this is based on a daily time frame, right? So if we were to look at the chart, as you can see that it's currently, well, bearish, right? Daily candle for today is actually currently bearish, but we are seeing some retracement coming in, all right, from the euro yen. So we probably would want it to be, want it to clear the 128 handle before looking for selling opportunities, all right? So my price level, okay, at the moment is 127.3, okay? So of course, it's also possible that euro yen goes to 127.3 and then bounce all the way back up. All right, anything is possible. Okay, but for now, personally, I feel that 127.3 is a safe level. So in the case whereby it hits 127.3, a sell stop. A sell trade will be entered. Okay, based on my sell stop order. All right. So if this trade were to be triggered, my stop loss will be at this 129.7 level, okay, which is 240 pips, as indicated by this top red dotted line over here. All right. And the potential profit, let me just maybe change to, okay, let me just zoom out a little. As you can see, my take profit level is actually at the indicated by this bottom red dotted line over here. All right. It's 300. Is it 300? Just make sure I get the right number. 300, yes. So it will be at this 124.3 level, okay, which is actually a 300 pips take profit, potential profit. Okay, so right now my take is this, okay, this Omicron variant, okay, which has just been discovered just recently. All right, there's still much to be known about this variant of the COVID virus. Okay, and you have to hear what the World Health Organization, the WHO, has to say in terms of this virus, whether or not it is more contagious. Well, as of now, they were saying that there's more mutations, as compared to the previous Delta variant, which is very contagious. Okay, so if the WHO were to conclude that the Omicron variant is more contagious than Delta, okay, hopefully not, but if they were to conclude that, okay, then we may actually be seeing more lockdowns, restrictions, and things coming in across the world. Okay, and that will definitely cause a decline in economic activities, a decline in oil prices, due to the decline in demand of oil, right? And for sure, you're going to see supply chain disruptions being impacted more badly than what we are seeing right now. Okay, so at the moment, okay, whenever there's such uncertainty going on, all right, chances are risky assets or risky currencies like the euro itself is slightly going to be weakened and may stay weak for the time being. Okay, so my view on euro yen at the moment is bearish, and I'm actually looking at a sell at the 127.3 level. Okay, so in a case whereby this trade idea has been triggered, I will update you guys again on Traders Club. All right, so if you guys are not sure what this whole Trader Club thing is about, this is what I'm going to show you guys. All right, just head over to jindaotai.com. All right, and you will come to this page. Correct. Scroll down. Okay, I'm sorry, my laptop is a little laggy right now. Okay, scroll down. You will see this section over here, my gift to you. Okay, so just by filling your name, your email address, and click on the Get Access button right now, okay, you guys get a 4-day Kickstarter video. This is actually the consolidated version, online version of our course, okay, our trading course, to give you guys the fundamentals. All right, together with trading strategy and indicators as well. All right, for free. Okay, you will also have access to our free forex trade signals, okay, with a 70+% win rate for free as well, okay, weekly average of $6,000 plus potential profit signal, okay, and most importantly, okay, you gain a 1 month free access to our exclusive Traders Club community. So we will be added into our Facebook group. You'll be added into our EcoFin platform. Okay, this is a trading community whereby our members share trade ideas, share their ideas, their general views on anything forex, anything equities over there. Okay, and in there you will also get our coaching sessions, which is only for club members on Mondays and Wednesday. Monday being a mentoring coaching session whereby you get to ask questions straight with Jin, okay, Jin Tao, and on Wednesdays you will be able to attend his live trading session, okay, whereby he will carry out, most of the time he'll carry out short-term trades, okay, like scalping and things like that. So whenever there are like high impact news in the evening, okay, like for example the Bank of Canada, what do you call that, interest rate decision, okay, monetary policy decision, which is usually being held on Wednesdays evening, okay, GMT +8, then you may get to see how he trade, right? And then there are some like US PMI data and things like that will be released as well. Okay, so yeah, Wednesdays will be the live trading session. Okay, so with that, okay, I've come to the end of my sharing. And yeah, like I said, if the trade idea gets triggered, I will update you guys again on the Traders Club platform. All right, with that, I will see you guys probably tomorrow, okay, during the currency call. And take care for now. Bye-bye.